Remember the attic video when I was talking about people standing all over my electric cables like that? Well, they're still there. You shouldn't have the electric cables improperly routed over a service platform, and painting them yellow doesn't help. These air conditioning installations, kind of like the condensing. Oh, you haven't seen the condensing unit video yet, but I'm just not finding a lot wrong with these systems. This doesn't mean I want to not look, but okay, air filters are 20 by 25 by 4. They're up here. You want to replace these. These are the wider ones, 4 inches. So there might be like 4 months or 6 months, whatever the manufacturer tells you you're supposed to do. When you come up here and change it, in the description of the work, the technician should log this in. That's nice. I doubt they'll use it, but it takes a lot of time to write your name there. The date, you have to know what day it is. Oh my God. Care and use manual. It's labeled. This is the number 1 unit. This is the number 1 unit. Everything's labeled fine. Cap to reduce for the overflow. Deep trap? A deep trap, really? Line's insulated? What, you're not giving me anything supported, properly supported? Enough room except for those electric wires right there. Gas line has a sediment trap. The electric has a connector. Okay. Nothing wrong with that guy. Huh. Them, but not him. Number 2. Over there. Labeling. Properly suspended. Deep peak trap. Oh my goodness. Care and use manual. Filter. 16 by 25 by 4. Gas line has a sediment trap. Some guy installed this. Hey guys. Really? She's not gonna give me a break. There's enough for me to cry about. Poured in there for servicing. That's how you do the filters. I don't want to do the other one because it was running. And this might be in 1020. Alright, so it's time to change it. It's time to change it. You want to change it on move-in so you have a baseline, you can get your calendar straight. There's a lot of dust in construction too, so now's the time. Air direction, because your air filter is going to have an air direction. See the arrows? It's just nice. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of at a loss for words.